Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today's Monday. I love that you're watching Speedy Graffiti Poor Dirty Word Series. Going to write the words in the painting. Do a quick little grammar lesson when you're addressing somebody in print and you're going to say their name. You need to put a comma after your words. So if you say, "Stop walking dogs," that's a command, a general command, and it's understood that the word is you. If you say, "Stop walking dogs," then you're talking to dogs to say, "Stop walking." So you want to look at Josie Lewis's art channel on YouTube. She has a video about all the comments that she's received. Stop wasting paint. Your videos are too high quality. And I love the one that I got. Stop wasting time. So my Speedy Graffiti pour today is take a breath, trolls. And I'm sure you will. So underneath the canvas, I have a series of small black stones that I've gessoed. And here's a couple that are not gessoed because they are originally going to be under the grate, but I've just elevated my canvas on the cups. So I'm hoping that some of the dripped paint will color the stones, but this is a mesh that the stones were sold by, and I bought these at a dollar store. So what I'm going to attempt to do, I have no idea if this is going to work, I'm going to pour the paint through the mesh. Not sure if it's really going to do anything. I guess not. So I'm using chalk paint by Waverly. Let's try a little more yellow. And I mixed the chalk paint with apple barrel pouring medium, which I actually like. I really like it. So I'm going to tilt this now. Let me just show you that this is what the chalk paint. Bought this at Walmart. So I have 4 colors. So I'm going to tilt this paint. I'm just making decisions now how I want, the paint to settle on the canvas and which colors that I may want to keep and so on. So now see, I'm getting more of that celery color and less, so you can turn your canvas a little bit. That way you'll get more paint. So I still have to tilt this because now I'm going to write my words. If I can get the lid off. This is just a small 4-ounce. No, I'm sorry, I think it's a 3-ounce bottle. So there's no silicone. take a take a breath. Make sure you put your comma. Take a breath, Truss. So of course we're not keeping the words, we're tilting it. That's the whole point of acrylic pouring. So I'm going to just start tilting this around, see what we get. Someday I might leave the words on. Turn the canvas. Oh, look at the rocks. I'll show you those. Can see the A, and here's the O-L-L-S. Still tilting this. Not really sure what I'm going to do with it because I like the yellow, but I like the turquoise, and there's not like a whole lot of the turquoise coming out. I'm going to go back this way. I'm just going to let it sit a minute. I'm going to go find my torch. There it is. And torch it. I did put silicone in the colors, except for the darkest blue for the words. And you'll see some of the cells coming out. Whoops, I burnt that a little bit, that part. Right, so I like what's happening here. I'm not sure about up there, and I wish I had more of the turquoise, but that's okay. This is a fluid art technique, and you'll find different colors do different things. And also, if you use the same colors again on another canvas, you're never going to get the exact same results, and that's what's so fun about this. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to go this way with it and see if it even needs. See how the blue is just moving on top there. And I'll show you some of the stones underneath. I'm going to turn the canvas. Maybe turn it like this now and view it at a different angle. Well, it's really different. Wish I had more cells, but that's okay, because maybe I think I did forget to mix up the yellow with the silicone. I could put silicone in, but I didn't stir it. So actually we're getting some interesting I don't want to really torch it too much because things might appear later. I actually kind of like it. It's very different. I like the yellow here, and then up here it's a little bit different with some of the, let me just move this down a little bit. No, I think I'm just going to leave it. Sometimes you have to let the paint do what it's going to do. And you can always pour another one if you don't like it. I might pour one off camera, and I'll show you that picture at the end of the video. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. This is Take a Breath Trolls. And make sure you take a breath before 30 seconds, or else your brain cells will begin to die. So always breathe and get your oxygen, enjoy life, and I will see you guys next time.